Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage development plan in Manager Career. In the beginning, let's go to Manager Career and go to Squad. Find the development plan and select player. For example, let's select Raya, and here you can select growth for the player. It can be goalkeeper, ball playing keeper, and sweeper keeper. You can see perks and attributes of each development plan. Select it and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.